What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be seeing if Coco Mango is better than Bone Blossom. Alright, let's check. So, for right now, there's no stock in Coco Mango, but don't worry, I bought one earlier. But I will, if you haven't seen like the other video I made, I was explaining with my friend the fall update. Just go check it out right now. And, and, wait, oh, there's a falling. Stop. Because I just fed some woody plants to the tree. Now I'm looking for stuff. Alright, let's get started. This is my other garden. It has uh Brussels sprout, aurora vine, princess thorn, and grand tomato, and some flare daisies. And look over here, there's some coco mangoes. How much is the base price of one coco mango? That is super small. Could it be better than Bone Blossom? Or might be better than Candy Blossom. Let me see. According, this is the smallest one. How much is this worth? Damn. I think it might be better than Bone Blossom and Candy Blossom, because I think the base value of Candy Blossom is like 150k, and the Bone Blossom, I forgot what is the base value of the Bone Blossom. Was it like 160k? I don't remember. So what about the bigger one? How much is it worth? Holy damn, bro. How about the Brussels sprout? Is the Brussels sprout better than the Candy Blossom and Bone Blossom? It might be better. No, it's not definitely better. That's everything. There's 30 million. Don't worry guys, it's not actually 30 million. I have other stuff in my inventory. I'm just gonna quickly go to the egg shop and look for the stuff. Nothing good. What about the grand tomato and the princess thorn? Will it be better? And the aurora vine. Will it be better than the coco vine? Oh, and the golden egg, I forgot. Sorry. Ooh. There's a fall egg right there. Oh, bro, I have full. I'm just gonna sell some other bets. And then this one. Oh wait, this has, oh never mind. It might be better because it has some few mutations. Yeah, it's 2 million. The aurora vine has one struck wet and fall, which is, hey, talk to me, boy. Which is 1 million. What about the fortune golden egg? That's the only mutation it has. It's 11 million. Yeah, that's definitely better. What about the princess thorn? It is pretty big. Let's see. Ooh, it's better. It's because of the size. So inventory that we got 50 million. I think. Oh wait, no, I forgot to hatch the egg. Can I sell the person? No, I can't. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I got the space squirrel. It's like the divine rarity pet, and like in the fall shop. Wait, no, I'm gonna go sell other pets. I also got the marmot. I don't know if it's the pronunciation like that, marmot. Oh yeah, This is what the space girl looks like. It apparently gives the mutation of void touch. Yeah, void touch. Not a Robin, so garbage. I don't want to be smaller though. Alright, let's check the other egg if it's ready to hatch. I feel like it's ready to hatch now. It's right here. 16 more minutes. I can't wait that long. Damn, bro. What should I do, bro? Oh, there's a giant golden egg right there. Let's see how much this is worth. Hello? There it is. It's a 10 kg one. It's like 25 mil or something. Yeah, 21 mil. Alright, guys. I think this is it for like if the Coco Mango is worth it or not. It is 100. Oh yeah, it costs 7 garden coins. Right there in the tier 2. You have to feed some to get it. It's 7 garden coins. It is very much 100% worth it. You guys should buy it to get more rich. It's definitely better than Candy Blossom, I think, and Bone Blossom. See you guys, and make sure to go look for other videos that I will post in the future, and make sure to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. See ya, guys.